Hi guys, Chef Jose Sarasola here and welcome to Dowell's 12 Days of Christmas Recipes. Madali, masarap at syempre affordable, kaya tara, lutuin na natin. Today, gagawa tayo ng isang classic comfort dish na siguradong favorite ng buong pamilya, ang soy sauce chicken. Rich, savory, at aromatic at syempre sobrang daling gawin. Of course, we'll be using our Dowell 𝗦𝗂𝗰𝗲 electric pressure cooker. Okay, our first step, we'll be transferring our whole chicken. And then we'll make our rub by adding some soy sauce. Meron din tayong oyster sauce, yung medyo konting tamis pang kontra sa soy sauce. Okay, now just rub our chicken with our soy sauce and our oyster sauce para talaga mag-incorporate yung flavor ng sauces natin sa chicken natin. Make sure also to put some sauce inside your chicken para yung flavor umabot sa loob. Next step, stuff our chicken with our ginger. And of course, our spring onions. Make sure to push it inside the cavity of your chicken para it will go all the way inside. Choose your saute function. Now add your red onions. And after a few seconds, we can add our star anise. Ayan. Very fragrant to. Meron tayong cinnamon. And of course, dahon ng laurel. Ayan. Gusto ko lang ma-release yung fragrance niya para talagang mamaya super malasa yung chicken natin. At ayan, after a few minutes, we can start making our sauce. Medyo same as our base earlier. Meron tayong soy sauce. Meron tayong oyster sauce. And for that extra sweetness, meron tayong brown sugar. Give this a good mix first to combine everything. And then after giving this a good mix, we can now add our water. At ayan, ito magiging flavor base ng ating soy chicken. So iwanan lang natin to hanggang mag-boil siya. At ayan, our sauce is now boiling. We can now add our whole chicken to our electric pressure cooker. Ayan. This is how we'll see talagang kagandahan ng Dowell 𝗦𝗂𝗰𝗲 electric pressure cooker. With its powerful pressure cooking, talagang mabilis ang luto at nakakatulong ang lasa at super tender ang kalabasan ng chicken natin. Pressure cook on medium-high heat until mag-whistle siya. Tara na natin. At yan, then turn off. Let it rest for around 20 minutes. And after that, release the pressure. At ayan, I think it's ready. Our chicken actually really smells good already. So, you know, wow! The aroma ng aromatics natin from the cinnamon, to the star anise, talagang nag-add talaga na ibang dimension for our chicken. We can now transfer it, di ba? Super dali, di ba? Lutong bahay lang, pero sobrang sarap. At ayan guys, sobrang daling gawin ng soy sauce chicken with the help of Dowell 𝗦𝗂𝗰𝗲 electric pressure cooker. Ang daling lutuin, flavorful ang kalabas at syempre, hassle-free sa kusina. Kaya guys, try ito sa mga bahay ninyo and make every mealtime special. Ako si Chef Jose Sarasola and wishing all of you a Merry Christmas. And remember, life's easier and mas masarap with Dowell.